cover it back. That's just how to install the pin on the handle. So when you cover it back, the mouth of the pin will just come out, just the way this one is, and then you can use it and vent. So another thing you need is extension. Okay, you need hair extension or attachment. If you are practicing, don't use your expensive hair to practice, please. Okay, as a beginner who is trying to learn, do not use expensive hair. Don't go and cut the expensive hair to practice. Just get attachment or hair extension. It's called hair extension or attachment. Just get something, maybe half or one pack, and just pick little for your practice. Later on, you can still use that, the one you left, to make your braided waist. So it's not a waste, because I don't think you can get something smaller like something small like this in the market. So just get one pack, but just pick little from it. And for your practice, this is just what you need. And for practice, when you pick little, cut it into 6 sizes. Like cut it into six cutting, so it will not be too long and not too short for you to practice with. Okay, I've already made a beginner's video on how to vent with this as a beginner. I'll still make another video. Okay, don't worry, I'll still make another video on how you can vent. This one is just to introduce you guys to all the materials you need to start your hair ventilation journey. Then the next video that will be coming is how you can actually use these materials to work. You need scissors, okay, because when you get your extension, you need scissors to cut it. And if eventually what you were able to get is 1 yard of lace or half yard, you were able to get the already customized one in the market, you still need your scissors to cut little amount to practice with. So this is another important tool that you need. Another one we need is a rule. The reason why you need a rule is this: maybe you're unable to get already customized lace in the market, and the one you can get your hand on, you just the half yard or 1 yard. You need something to measure the length you want, and then use your scissors to cut it. And again, you need your measuring tape. Okay, you need this. I use this because I do customize my own laces myself most times, so I do use this almost all the time to measure how many inches that I need. And then I'll use this, and of course I'll use this, our rule, and of course a pencil. You can get a pencil or a metallic pen, just something for you to indicate. Guys, you need your pencil to indicate, maybe when you measure maybe 2 inches by 2 inches or 4 inches by 4 inches. So you need your pencil to indicate it before you use your scissors now to cut it. If I forget, you need your picking comb or rattle comb. Anyone can serve. The reason you need this is for smoothing. Whenever you are venting, you need to smoothen whether you are working with hair or attachment, you need to smoothen it. Okay, it needs to be smooth. Like I said, please, if for practice, okay, the purpose of this video is just to introduce you guys the materials you need. Okay, as soon as you are watching, you are getting access to this video, and you want to learn how to vent, please get these materials ready. So by the time I upload the beginner's video on how to vent, you can practice with me. I can even go live and show you guys in real life. Like when I'm practicing, when I'm showing you what to do, you do it with me because you have the materials. If you don't have the materials, there's no how you can do it with me. Okay, so you need this for smoothing. And please do not use the expensive hair to practice. I keep saying it. You can only vent your hair when you've already mastered how to practice as a beginner. Then you want to make closures, maybe for yourself, to wig your bundle. You can use expensive hair, but don't go and cut expensive hair and use it and practice. Okay, another important tool we need is our pin. This is called a secure pin. We can't vent without this because our lace cannot stay on this without securing it with a pin. So this is called secure pin. See how it's loose. Okay, it's either you use this one or you use the T-pin. Let me show you guys what a T-pin is. You use this one. This one is called a T-pin. So this one can serve, even your office pin can serve. You know, office pin, the one tellers normally use, can still serve. But sometimes if it can enter the knots, like the knots of the lace, all those holes, the office pin can just enter inside and it will not be able to secure your lace for you. So go for this one, the T-pin, or this one. And there's still another one that has rubber head. It's long like the T-pin, like this, but the mouth is rubber, but not this shape, just round rubber. Okay, if that's the one you are able to get, you can still use it. So guys, I've finally showed you guys all the necessary tools you need, the most important tools you need. Remember, I said as a beginner, you don't need frontals yet, you don't need full laces yet. Leave those ones when you've mastered this art. Okay, and then you watch my videos on how to vent closures, frontals, full laces, but the ones I'll still upload, then you can practice with those ones. But don't go I see sometimes I see beginners, someone who doesn't know how to vent, I want to start ventilation, you go to the market and get one full lace. I do see, so that this is actually funny. I do see some beginners who doesn't know anything about hair ventilation and they want to start. They'll go and get full lace. You want to start, like there's someone, a beginner, she's trying to learn, and she went without consulting me first. She went and get this to use and practice, and in the process, something you don't know, she doesn't even know how to handle it, and after everything she ended up damaging this full lace, because by the time you vent what I can explain, the big holes are large strands of hair. How are you going to lose it? It's very, very difficult to lose. That means this is God. So she ended up damaging this, and when I told her to get the smaller one, she said, hey, should have contacted me first to know the what she will get as someone who is just learning. Please, as someone who is just learning, you don't need this, you don't need full lace, you don't need frontal, you just need small something like this one. I would advise you get a 4x4, okay, in the market. Just ask them less 4x4 size, so you can use it and practice. Okay, so this is the purpose of the pin. When you place your lace like this, you can just use your pin to secure it on this, and then you start venting with your ventilating pin and your extension. So thank you guys for watching this, and I will still upload. Since I've introduced you guys to the tools, definitely I have to guide you guys how to do this now. Okay, I have to first of all show you, for you to make frontals, lace closures, you need to first know how to vent now, not be so now. So you have to know how to vent first before we will now proceed to do. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something new. I hope you learned something. You now know the necessary tools you need to get and the ones you don't need. So just get the necessary ones to start, okay, to learn. Along the line, you can now get others. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. And please do not forget to give this video a like. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And if you are here to join my family, you know you're supposed to do that. Okay, you need to do that. Okay, so join my family. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. Bye. Remember, I love you guys. Mwah.